Alright, it has been a while. A while? Ugh. I've been playing a bit. I mean, hold on, no, it's not. Obviously, I've been playing a bit. Just with some friends, I'm trying to see if I even want to play this more often. Decided to give this a try. Apparently, there's a Road to North vehicle extract, which I wanted to try to find. Didn't even in the backpack. I've been running a lot. I've been running a lot of fucking Ground Zero. In my head, I just kept thinking 911, 911, 911, Ground Zero. There it is. Jesus, I hate that that's how I remember it. But just gonna wander, roam around a little. No tape. Figure why not? I brought the wrong gun, honestly, by accident. The wrong loadout. Would have preferred. This is dangerous. Two gamers. I don't think they know. Whew. I think I killed him. Got one! Oh, whew. Oh, I don't know. I'm sorry if I'm breathing really hard. I got got really antsy there. Hmm. He did shoot at me. I know this a second. Let's just leave. Let's try to get the high ground. Make sure my head's all good and topped off. I heard you. You know what he'll never fucking expect? Oh wait, was that him? Yep. I was gonna say, that tree looks suspiciously human. Thank God for real fucking armor, though. Fewer than half. 10. Jesus. Fewer than half. Alright. You know, I was just saying how I wasn't really sure if I was really feeling it this way. Not like skill-wise or anything like that, just in general, I guess. Oh, he was doing that task! You know what I gotta do now. You know what a little asshole like me has to fucking do. Ooh, shiny. Wait, where's the other one? Oh, there it is. I will take that. I'll take that. How do I... Yes. I'm a little arsehole. Short and steep. Gonna go fuck off. Oops. You know why I'm doing this? No, I'm taking this SE98. Just fuck them, that's why. Fucking Christ, I am a big boy. Went pretty well. I liked how that turned out for me. There are mines now? Okay. Oh, they took out the fence, that's why. Well, path to shore, it's still open. Path to lighthouse. Oh, they completely redid it. Jesus. Well, while I crawl and run, I'm just gonna see where I can actually leave from. So give me a sec. Okay, path to lighthouse is still a thing. It seems like. I'm looking at a map while running, which is such a dumb thing to do when you have a minefield 3 inches to your left. But I can't understand it. Look at the wrong maps, I guess. I'm glad they didn't get rid of this one. Thank you. You know what? I'm a new shoreline enjoyer. 1 out of 1, 100% easy raids, easy dubs, easy gear. I don't even have room for this shit. I've been collecting trash. I've been lucky enough to work from home, so I'll just do scav runs in between things. And it's a good way to kind of keep efficient. You do a scav run, you work until the scav timer's up. You do another scav run, you work until the timer's up. If you have enough time, you can do a little raid and then a scav run and then work. Really makes it feel better. Makes the workday go by faster too, and you just start hoarding all of this gear. Oh, not that big of a strong man, are you? I felt good. I thought that was a headshot, honestly. I am so bad at fucking spraying. These guys, it's like this has to be their first wipe. I have such an advantage over them. I feel so bad. And it was still close. It was just a gear difference. But, you know what? I've been having fun. I've been having fun. I think this wipe will be a little more consistent for me. Alright, I changed maps. Just to... Oh, this is beautiful. Just to show you some good, efficient ratting. 4 to 5 times this works. Am I running the right direction? Am I running? And so we're on ground zero. My watch wants me to stand up. Okay, wrong way. My bad. Here it is. Oh, how I missed you. So if you're someone who has something to do, works from home, wants to play Tarkov, this is all you do. I should have brought food, honestly. Right here. You sit in this little Isekai truck. Just look at all these bodies. 1, 2, bunch of people behind me. So many people. just getting isekai'd. You hang out here for literally like 15, 20, 30 minutes, and then you get to explore Ground Zero with nothing but bitch-ass scavs. It's also great if you work from home because you just sit here and you do your work. Keep your headset on, and then every time you hear footsteps, you just get ready, and then you fall back. You know? This is my favorite truck in the map. This is what I was doing this and I thought I recorded it. I thought I recorded like 3 hours of me just sitting here. But uh like no one checks this. And 4 to 5 times it works 100% of the time. Trust me. Like look at this. I hear footsteps. He peeks me, I shoot. Pretty sure that's a scav though, honestly. Oh, maybe not. He is right there. Okay, that's a player scav, I think, yelling at him. Look at that. If you wanted to, you could take a little look. Please stay close. Look at that. Isekai truck. It works every time. No, I'm still kind of working on something right now. I'll take that. I'll take that. That seems fun. I'll take your helmet. I think I need those for later still. See? Isekai truck. Let me slow all the way down. I'm gonna go right back because it's only been like 9 minutes. The only I heard him coming because I have my headset on. And time to get back to work. See, the best way to play without playing. You can hate on it all you want, but I don't care. Whoever's to my left, just check their mag. I want to ADS if they cross me. They probably won't. Look at that. Look at how beautiful. No one checks the truck. 4 to 5 times. I wish I had brought a little food and water, but I'm being productive right now. I'm actually gonna go. Well, it's a little late, but I should brush my teeth. You know, drink some water, do some stretches. Fuck it. You know, they got all the time in the world. These people are on a time crunch. I got 30 minutes to kill. Alright, I got kind of bored. I also finished what I had to do. So, fuck it. Let's see what there is to see. I could have gone out slower. So, police cordon, vehicle exit, Nakatani. Alright. Fuck it, I guess we go this way. Now, I don't like running down here normally, as I just did. But I prefer to kind of play slower and quieter down here. Just because sound travels so weirdly. I think someone looted. Yeah, someone did loot that. Well, it is what it is. I have so many spark plugs now. Whatever task or whatever that is that needs them, I'm good. I also don't need you. I was waiting to drop you. God, vaulting is so great. But now you got 20 minutes to explore and do whatever you want. And the only thing you have to worry about is other scavs or player scavs. And it's also so late. Oh yeah, let me eat something. It's also so late that most of them won't even think that you're an actual player. So if you don't have the stupid ass armband, like if you have scav gear, you could just chat to people and get them to trust you. Oh, I love it. But it just, look, it just works. That's all I can say about it. Like, I'll reset and do it again. I don't care. Oh. 2 and 5. You want to see what insurance fraud looks like? I've started. It's so cheap to insure your armor and your rigs and stuff like that now. Oh wait, there's a little bit of meds back here. I can't. Someone's here. Oh, that's up above me. Yeah, sound. That's a scav. Yep. I also like using this time to just kind of work on my covert movement. One hand on my keyboard, one hand on my drink. Ooh, it's cold. Just kind of slowly move through. It is very boring though to level this up, but it would be nice to have it because then you can move faster when you're quiet. So, let me see how long it takes to climb these fucking stairs. So I can hear someone looting. They kicked open a door, and I just heard them unzip something. And I haven't been upstairs in this building very much. So they might not even be... Oh, that's outside, damn it. Oh, they're gone. There's no way I catch up to that. Oh well. But, would have been nice. We got 17 minutes left in this raid. Might as well just hang out, look for stuff. I don't need any. I don't remember what I need for my stash or anything. I don't have my shopping list on me. Ooh, you can make it across. Ooh. Okay. Wish I had a suppressor, but kind of want to take this fight. Speed up a little. Okay, never mind. They're gone. Alright, well fuck it. Yeah, might as well just look around, hang out. Ooh. Oops, I'm in. Where am I? Oh, I'm so far from my little rat spot. Excuse me. Ooh. I always forget how much loot there is here. Just on the map in general, honestly. Where am I? Oops. What do I... Oh, I know where I am. Oh, that took me a second to figure out. Alright, time to go down. Hide in my truck. Have a good time. It's all good. Oops. Yeah, he's in there. Silly boy. going great today. Oh, now I feel kind of bad because they're level 1. Feel a little bad. A little bit guilty. No, I got 2 mags, it's fine. Let's just grab what we can. I do feel a little bad. Not bad enough to spare them, you know, but a little bad. It's fine. You know, learning curve, right? Okay, he's level 3 at least. M855, yeah. I don't know if I expected anything else. Just a little guilty. Oh, the all-pro food, no. No. Not a single one of them. I'll take the meds, but... Not gonna lie, feel a little dirty. Let's, I got all this food in. You know what? I don't even need to go to the truck this raid. I'm just gonna leave. I'm taking the car. Fuck this. Alright, I just had to do it again. That was, felt a little guilty for that. So, I'm gonna fight my way through the exact same building, so drink the good luck. Let's get to our truck. Because I got some things to catch up on at work. Getting paid to play Tarkov for the wrong reasons. Right. Down, down, down we go. I don't even really want to loot, but I will. Cool. Alright. Let's get into the truck. And I also came more towards the nighttime. Look at this. Look at this. I don't understand the obsession with pigs. That's something that I don't get, like all the cultist stuff with the pigs. Like, I feel like cultists are just, you know, or maybe it's a cult of pigs. That would make a lot of sense. But right there. Don't move my mouse. And I will see you, well, whenever. I have a friend. Alright, let's see. Does he cross or not? I'm pretty sure that's an AI scab, honestly. Alright, works out for me. Back to doing not this. Why am I here? I think it's so funny. Honestly, I would come in here with nothing but a pistol because I think it'd be funny. I just don't have stash space and I have way too much fucking gear. So, here I am. Here comes that big boy. Oh, it's two. Right, I think that was it. on them. Oh, I wish I had a grenade, honestly. I don't see him. Oh. It's just a scav. He sounded tired and out of breath, though. So I tried to
One.
imagine. Oh, hey, I hit discs. Imagine I died to that. Ooh. Twould be unfortunate. Well, getting stuff. For a P90, yeah. Alright, I'm gonna fuck off. I didn't really stay the whole raid. I wasn't super paying attention. So figured might as well just move on. That took me 4 shots. That's unfortunate. Oh, yeah. Alright, well. Time to go fuck off. I love that truck so much. You can get the drop on people constantly. I actually shouldn't be running down here. And anyone who actually does swing you usually isn't pre-aiming that. I mean, if you wanted to be safer, you can always just crouch or stand behind. Someone has loot stuff. Sellable. Thick. Sorry, I'm on my way out anyways. It's always funny too, because most people can't carry all the loot that's here. So you find like the weirdest things. I know I said I shouldn't be running, but... Ooh, that actually looks useful. You know. I actually kind of forgot I was playing, so... Let's just move on. What happened to you, gamer? Alrighty. Gonna fuck on off out of here. God, that truck is so nice though if you want to hide. Top 5 spots to take a shit on this map if you have to hide somewhere. The other one is by Nakatani Plaza. Or basement. Still in my head. Where you just crouch behind the desk that the body's on. And just look at the floor. The fact that I almost lost that. You can tell I do not spray at all, ever. 0%. Well, I'm up in that percentage. Any meds for me? Nope. Nothing useful anyways. Oh well. Well, it is what it is. I am enjoying my time in the back of that meat truck. And it's honestly working out for me. I'm getting bags of loot. And I'm not even really playing. I just have my headset on. And every time I hear footsteps, I just come by and check. That's pretty much it. Spent, what, 18 minutes in a raid? I was probably playing for like 2 or 3 of them. Great way to kill time if you have to do something else, but I'm only level 9 too, and we're quite a few days into this wipe, so I could be more efficient with it, and I could be more ratty and more tryhardy, but I'm just kind of hanging out and doing this. I don't want to get too far ahead, because it's never fun duoing with someone who's double or triple your level. But it is what it is, and I'm hoping to get these more regular. I lost everything I had beforehand, all the clips and all the videos I saved, so time to start new, but it also means I have like 300 gigabytes of free space now. So, we'll see.